Okay, so now you can talk about cauliflower.
You want me to talk about what I'm doing here?
Yeah,
Well, you just tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
I am chopping the cauliflower, and I'm just chopping it in manageable size pieces. And it is going into a pan that is about to be steaming over boiling water. So I'm just chopping up the little sizes. We are making a cauliflower mash, which resembles mashed potatoes.
She's putting it in kind of a colander it's a steamer. It's a steamer pan.
Exactly.
And she's using such a big one because she's got three
Heads of cauliflower.
heads of cauliflower.
Because we got 8 mouths to feed.
This cauliflower mash is so delicious.
It's delicious. It tastes like mashed potatoes. And these things actually cook down pretty significantly. So 1 head of cauliflower is good for probably 2 people, maybe 3 people.
Wow.
And so when I make it just for my husband and myself, it's perfect with just 1 head. But since there's 8 of us, I figured 3 would be good. And, you know, we'll add some delicious things like butter and garlic and sour cream and chives and all the stuff that you normally put on your baked potatoes or loaded potatoes, and kind of dress up this dish a little bit with some of that stuff.
And I like the idea of steaming it because you don't have to mash the water out of it.
That's right.
Like if you boiled it,
Right.
a lot of people boil their cauliflower and then they have to mash the
Right.
water out of it.
Yeah, this is steamed, and so it's nice and soft, and then I just put it in a little bowl and use my immersion blender and just blend it up with butter, sour cream, garlic, any seasonings you want to add, and it just turns out really yummy. So that's what we're doing.
We've got a very big pan and it's got only about an inch of water, if that much, maybe a half an inch of water. And it is boiling already. So that's, see that big pan? And we're gonna drop this.
Normally like 5 minutes of steaming.
So the steamer basket is inside that big pot now. She just dropped it in there.
So the cauliflower has been steamed. So we have steamy cauliflower, and I am going to pour it into a big bowl. And then we're going to use the immersion blender and blend it up with some really good stuff. Oh wow, that just fits right, doesn't it? Okay. Turn over my scallops. So, let's see, we are going to do, where did I put that butter? We're going to put some butter, sour cream, and garlic magic here. I'm not usually a measuring kind of person, so I'm just going to kind of chop up some butter and put it in there.
So you had it fixed?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we told the landlord about it, because, you know, it's not gonna affect us, but it's gonna build.
So, roughly 5 tablespoons of butter. I think that looks pretty decent. And a couple big dollops of sour cream. That's probably decent. And then this is that garlic magic I was talking about. I wish you could smell this, but since you can't, I'm just going to tell you. It smells like garlic, and I've been putting it on everything. So we're just going to get a little bit of this in here. That's probably enough. It's pretty potent garlic stuff. Put that in there, and it's all going to get blended together.
Did you make that?
No, my friend Carmen grows garlic and peppers and all kinds of other things, and so she made that and gave that to me. So I love it. That usually helps is some kind of liquid. Usually I use almond milk or oat milk. You can use heavy cream, you can use half and half, you can use regular milk, you can use water. But now these cauliflower pieces are nice and soft, and so I'm just blending them through with all the goodies here. The other thing you can do is add salt and pepper. I usually wait and kind of add it to taste afterwards. So if you see, it's getting it kind of creamy, and it looks like mayonnaise. Get it close so you can see how awesome this looks. Now I'm going to add a little liquid just so I can get it all together. Add some oat. That's what I have, so.
Adding oat milk.
Yeah. I'm just gonna pour a little bit in there. Just a little bit.
That's what she has.
That was a little bit. I firmly believe in taste testing, so stir it up a little bit.
You're gonna add some salt.
Yeah, I'm gonna add salt and pepper.
All of it, and she put in her.
So yummy.
White Italian marble. It's nice, but it's just not hard to taste. You know, the normal cheesy.
Clean my germs.
What?
Had to clean my germs off the spoon. I'm gonna want a little more sour cream.
We got backyard.
A little more. Of course. Of course. Let's do that. A little pink Himalayan salt and a little cracked pepper. Would you like to do the honors?
Whatever. Yes.
Don't mind my little stick. Beautiful. Did you pepper the cord? I am not peppering the cord. All right, let's see how this turns out. Let's do a little more of that. Just saying. Okay. Maybe a little more garlic magic.
Are we tasting taste testing?
I did, and we will continue to. Do you want to be a taste tester?
I'll try.
Wait, you have to wait. I have to start.
Oh.
Okay. Watch out for that.
Pretty nice. What year?
2001.
Is this for you? And the goal is to get it really smooth.
It's more salt.
More salt? Well, let's do that. How's that?
Not sweet.
I have to stir it.
It's bitter.
Easy. So usually if you add cream, it's a little bit more creamy. The only challenge with using this is it's kind of sweet because of vanilla, so not my favorite. I would rather use something not sweet. Let's see. I think it's delicious.
Very good.
Do you want to get some of those chives from my garden?
So what from your garden?
Got chives.
Oh, chives. That,
Do you want to
yes.
get those? You want to take the scissors and just chop a bunch of them?
I need a pair of scissors.
Here we go.
Right here.
Settle.
So she added more salt and a bunch more sour cream. And now it's ready. They're just gonna add chives.
Yeah. And if we want to put a little shredded cheese. Wally.
He's adding chives.
Chives.
From the garden.
Very fresh.
And voila, it is ready.
Okay, ladies,
Sprinkle shredded cheese on there.
which lettuce do you guys, what, 2 different types of salad?
These are scallops. She's putting lemon juice on them.
And so there's butter and a garlic mixture that my friend Carmen makes fresh from her garden called Garlic Magic. So butter and garlic magic has been what these guys are simmering in. And then I just added some lemon juice to kind of, get all the goodness off the pan. So we will be ready to eat these here in a few minutes. Try to get them a little more brown.
Most of it's frozen scallops.
Yeah, they were wild caught. Yep. There we go. That's what I like to see is the golden brown. So delicious.
So they've got garlic butter in them.
Garlic lemon butter. Yes, that's what they are. They are living in that right now. All right, so those are done. Turn this off. Okay, now we can